Aloha! I'm Hope Johnson, founder of Miracle Botanicals.
And I'm Hannah. I work here at Miracle Botanicals in the shipping department, and I make these awesome videos with Hope.
Yay! Thank you. We're back.
We're back. It's been a while. And we're bringing to you our Ylang Ylangs.
Oh, yes. We're going to start with our Ylang Ylang Extra. We're going to talk a little bit about Ylang Ylang, what kind of properties it has, and aroma. And then we'll let you know the difference between Ylang Ylang Extra and Ylang Ylang Complete.
Beautiful.
Yay.
So we're going to start off with the botanical name, and it's Cananga odorata.
I would say it different, but it's not. There's not a right or wrong to it.
Okay.
I would say Cananga odorata.
Odorata.
Yeah,
okay.
I don't know if that's even proper, so.
Beautiful. Well, there you have
matter.
it. Two different ways.
Yeah, there you go. You come up with your own. So Ylang Ylang is known a lot in aromatherapy for aphrodisiac, and the reason it's known in that way is because it works on the second chakra issues, which have to do with sexuality and creativity.
Yes.
So that could be overactive second chakra, where it seems like I can't get enough, that kind of thing, or underactive, where it's like there's a fear associated with it. So it's for balancing, and so it could work either way. And also in the creativity aspect of it, that balance allows the creativity to flow smoothly. So you're not like trying to be creative, but it's just flowing from you effortlessly.
I really think that the smell of this really helps encourage that free flowing because it's so light.
Yes.
And luscious.
Yes. Ylang Ylang is super sweet, but not like a sickly sweet kind of smell. Right. Being natural and that beautiful Ylang Ylang tree, if you've ever had an Ylang Ylang tree around you, and when they bloom,
it's just, you can smell just being outside of the tree around it.
It's light, ethereal, heavenly.
Yes.
Yes.
So, you want to talk a little bit about the chemical components?
Yes, the Ylang Ylang Extra has certain chemical components that are different from the Ylang Ylang Complete or other stages. The Extra comes off of the very first distillation, and it's very light and ethereal. It still has that intense sweetness, but it's so light, it also loses the aroma faster than a Complete would. And that's why aromatherapists use it for its light components, and that's relaxing, taking you to the heavenly realms. For people who want to experience a lighter, more gentle way of being, that's Ylang Ylang Extra. Yeah.
One of the chemical components in our Ylang Ylang Extra is used in conventional medicine for lice and scabies.
Yes, that's right.
So it's really good with skincare.
Yes, definitely. And it could be used for that kind of thing too. If you wanted to use it for lice or scabies, just dilute it. You don't want to put that straight on because it's astringent. So that chemical is called benzoate dibenzyl, and apparently that is an ingredient that's used in conventional medicine for lice and scabies. So any kind of bug repellent, and really nice smelling bug repellent, especially small insects like that.
Yeah.
They're really good.
They're going to be gone.
Yeah. Yeah, and both of our Ylang Ylangs have the chemical components trans-alpha farnesene.
Yeah.
That's known as a muscle relaxer, calming, sedative, anti-inflammatory. Yes.
Yeah, and that's what it helps bring that lighter aroma to the surface when you use those for the properties.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. It's also in perfumery, it is a top note. It's a strict top note because of its lightness, and also that note tends to go away quicker than the other notes.
Right, that's the first one you smell.
Yeah.
And then it's gone. It's pretty much,
you
still get the linger of it.
Sure.
But
it definitely changes the aroma of the other components. But, the top note is that first whiff, that ethereal, light, sweet whiff.
Our extra is also good for balancing the hormones and detoxifying the liver. So it's really good for, again, like what Hope was saying with balancing the second chakra. In turn, it helps balance those hormones with your sexuality and creativity.
Yes.
Because those have a huge effect on your daily functions.
Yes, and the extra is more known for the liver balancing and the proper discharge of hormones because of the chemical composition. So if you like a light, sweet, beautiful celestial aroma, or you want to balance or detoxify the liver, balance hormones, or eliminate lice and scabies.
Yeah. Definitely
So
one
sweet.
you want in your essential oil collection.
Yay. Thank you for watching.
Thank
we
you so
love you so much.
much.
Aloha.